Hello traders, so again welcome back to a new video. So today I'm going to take trade on the basis of the pure price action, and at the end of the video I will give you clear and clarity explanation. So here I'm going to place a put option. It's because of that resistance and a reversal candle, and here there is no opportunity. So everything that I will explain after this trading session, because it's very difficult to explain now, so that's why. So watch the video completely without skipping for the better understanding. And from the 20th of this month, we will start the registration for the signals for the binary option, and here we can see that it's a winning trade. So everything that I will update in the Telegram channel about the signal. So we are going to restart the signals. The registration will start from the 20th of this month. Okay. Okay, here I'm going to place a put option with some margin of safety. Okay, I'm going to place here. Okay, I got a good entry. Okay, because there is a level. So sometimes we can expect 1 week green candle like a doji or spinning top, like a retracement. So here maximum probability for the next candle should be a red candle, but I placed with some margin of safety. And we can see that it's the next possible reversal here, and we can see it was also a winning trade. It was a red candle. So here this one also chance to be a red candle, but sometimes after hitting that round number it may chance to reverse, so it's better to avoid. And here there's a round number, and also the market is near to the resistance area. So from the 20th only the registration will start, and not the signal will start. I will update the exact date in the Telegram channel. So if anyone want to join and can contact me, and the time and everything will update in the Telegram channel. So here we can see that it's a level and it's a reversal candle at the level. So it's better to go with buyers here, but in a good entry. Okay, anyway I'm going to place a put option here. It's because I expect if it go down, then also it may chance to get reverse and go up. I will plot a line here. Here also we can see some rejection points, so it may chance to reverse. Okay, maximum probability for the next candle here should be a green. So here there is a level, but I expect that should easily broke the level this time. So here we can see the market is moving up and down, but still it didn't get rejected from the level in the top side. So we are in the safe zone. You can see that the market is reversed now. So don't worry, I will clearly explain you the reasons in the educational part. So just wait. Okay, here it was also a winning trade. Here the next candle may be a red candle. So here if I get an opportunity, it's better to place a put option with some margin of safety, but I need a good entry, otherwise that will be risky. So anyway it's I'm going to, okay, I don't get the entry, so it's better to avoid. And some people asking that about the signal in the OTC market. So now it's not possible to provide the signals in the OTC because we know that in the OTC there are lots of manipulations, and also it's not my personal trading, right? So if it is my personal trading, then I can manage based on some gap up, gap down, and also I can identify the manipulation, so I can take the decision pretty fast. but for giving signals, it's entirely different. So it's not possible to give the signals in the OTC market, and also in the OTC, different brokers using different charts, and there are lots of complications like that. So it's better to avoid the OTC. And also in the OTC market, the broker are providing different chart in sometimes for different country people, that they will provide different charts, so that also chance to lose the money. So it's better to avoid, sometimes, not all the time. Okay, sometimes there are lots of manipulations like that also the brokers are doing, so it's better to trade in the real market. So if you have any doubts about the signal, you can ask me. The contact details on the description. And here we can see that here, if the market go down, then it's better to place a call option. Okay, I place it here, a call option with some margin of safety at exactly at the rejection point. I got a good entry here, but here sometimes we can expect one more red candle to fill the gap, but mostly the next candle should close above of my entry point. That's the high probability, because now I placed at the rejection point. Okay, so these kind of levels are, you can see that the sellers also pushing the market down, but I expect this one will close above my entry point. So it's a fifth trade. Then if it's a winning trade, then I will stop now, and will move to the education part. I will clearly explain you the reasons of all of these trades. If it is loss, then definitely I will recover my loss. So here we can see, okay, it's just close above my entry. It was a winning trade. So we can move to the education part. Watch the video completely without skipping for the better understanding. Okay, we can move to the educational part. So here we can see it was a winning trade. So now I'm going to explain you that why I took this trade. Here we can see that I already plot a resistance line here, right? It's a resistance area. And also we can see that previously from here we can see some strong bullish entry, and when the market reached this particular level, we can see some strong rejection, and in this candle we can see some strong rejection plus a red candle, and suddenly we can see previously the buyers are very strong, and suddenly we can see when the market reached this level, we can see weak bullish candle. Previously it was very strong, and we know that here it's a resistance area, and we already saw some rejection and also sellers entry, and now the buyers become very weak also. And plus I am seeing a reversal candle at the reversal area. We know that if you have found a candle like this at the resistance area, a hammer type candle, just wait, if you found a red color hammer at the exact resistance, and if it fulfill these conditions like this, we want a weakness in bullish candles. Okay, and we want some rejection from that level, and plus if you found a confirmation candle at the resistance area like this, then in this candle you can confidently go with sellers, and that will be winning trade. Okay, so I expect this one is clear. So in the coming days, maybe in every week I will try to upload at least 2 videos, but I will took maybe around 5 trades. That should be more good. Otherwise that will increase the length of the video, because in the past days or the previous videos I took maybe more than 10 trades or 15 trades, something like that. So that's very time consuming. So when I explain, then the size of the video will definitely cross 45 minutes or near to 1 hour, something like that. So now I will try to reduce the size of the video, and will trade maybe in that session I will took totally 5 trades. That should be more good. So we can move to the next text. Okay, we can discuss the second trade, and here also I placed the put option, and we can see that it was also a winning trade, right? So here we can see previously here we can see it was a support area, and here also it respected, and in this candle we can see some strong rejection from this level, right? Here there is a level, so that's why here we can see strong rejection, and when the market reached this area, suddenly it's reversed and tried to go up. So normally, if here we can see here also a level. Normally it may chance to go up. Okay, it may chance to go up, and after that may chance to come down also. Normally the market may chance to make at least one retracement if you seeing a level like this. Okay, but here in front of seeing a retracement candle, I am seeing again a red candle, and that was a strong candle. We can't consider this like a weak candle because after retest, okay, or some levels, it broke this week also. Okay, this week also, but because of this breakout we can expect one green color doji candle also in this kind of situation. So that's the reason why I placed a put option with some margin of safety, and that was also winning trade. So I expect this is clear. It's because here there is a level, and when the market reached here we can see some reversal, and I told you that if you are seeing a level like this, then sometimes it will directly reverse like this. So which indicate that the market want to travel to the nearest support area. So it may chance to continue or retest this level, and after it may chance to go up also. So I expect this is clear. So after this one, we can expect one retracement most of the time. But in front of seeing one retracement, I am seeing a reverse candle again. It's a continuation sign, and it broke this previous candle low also. So that's the reason why I placed a put option here with some margin of safety, and that was also winning trade. So in these kind of situation, must keep a good entry point. Otherwise, if the candle opened here and if it went up, and it may chance to make V color, green color doji here. Okay, so if you keep a margin of safety entry like this, even that's a green candle, that will be a winning trade. So in the binary, the entry point is very important. And we can move to the next trade, and here I place it here a call option, and that was also a winning trade. Here we can see that previously this one was a level, right? It was a resistance. Here we can see market reversed from this level. So when the market reached this level, it's again reversed and went up, and it directly broke that level. This green candle broke this level, right? But when the market again tried to reverse, it got rejection from this level, and it closed inside of this wick. So which indicate that now the sellers may chance to give up, because in the left side there is a level also, which means that it respecting that level. And the next thing is, here we can see it's almost a hammer type candle. Okay, if it wick is like this, then also you can consider. But here I already saw weakness from seller side, and also in the left side there is a level. Okay, and I already saw some rejection, and now this red candle closed inside of this wick, and I'm seeing a confirmation type candle at the support area. Okay, at the support area, at the level. So that's why I placed it here a call option, and that was a winning trade. And in aggressive type market, after this green candle, the buyer will open here, and it went up, and it will reject from this level, and it may chance to fall again. Okay, in highly news affected market. But in the normal market, then you can consider, there is no problem, you can directly place a call option. Okay, so I expect this is clear. So now we can discuss about the last trade, that why I place it here a call option. Here we can see that is the market is a type of ranging market, and here you can see that it's respecting this level. Okay, and also if you observe here, we can see red green pattern also. So here we can expect green mostly, but the problem is still there is a gap to the actual support area, right? So in the support area that we can see, it's lots of rejection, and it's respecting, and there are lots of rejection here also rejection. So that's why I place it here a call option with some margin of safety. Here we can see the candle was a red candle, but because of my proper entry point at the level, it saved my trade. Okay, so here I don't suggest to you use like don't place a put option here. Okay, in this kind of situation that you have to place only a call option with proper entry point. Okay, do here high probability for the next candle in this kind of situation is only a green candle, because the market is ranging type market, and also here it's respecting, and here already saw some rejection, and here also some rejection, and also the now the market following the red green pattern, and loads of reason to go with a buying trading setup. Okay, and only just wait, only go with sellers. The one reason is still there is a small gap, but most of the time this gap will be a direct reversal. I will explain you that the candle will open here and it went down, and after hitting this level it directly reverse and finally make a bullish candle most of the time. So sometimes we can expect red candle like this. So in this kind of situation you have to place a call option at the level that should be more good. Okay, so I expect this is clear. So if you have any doubts about these trades, you can message me. The contact details on the description. And also from the 20th of this month we will start the registration for signals. So if you want to join for the signal, then also you can message me. So that's it. So I'm going to stop this video. All of you wish you good profit.